Tiger X MX Fated, now as known as Louis Vlogs. So today I'm just doing nothing really. My cousin might come around, might do a bit of pit biking, and yeah, I'm going to get dressed. Now will probably take me half an hour or 5 minutes. So yeah, I'll be done in 5, 4, 3, 2. Guys, I'm back. Just found out my cousin's here. Just about to go over. That's my dog. My other one. Don't see that number 3. See if they're over here. No, they're not. Let's see where they are. Yeah. Just about to drive over. Don't wait for the dogs, obviously. Come on, Woods. That one's Woods. Yeah, if you're wondering what that beeping noise is, that's just me reversing. Reverse. Oh. Oh, here they are. And here comes James. He's grunting to me. I'm back and I'm just riding my CRF 50. It's slow, but yeah. And me and my cousin, we're riding. He's riding the old vintage Z50 he is. We're maybe going to try and get some clips of that up and riding. There it is. Yeah. Let's go. Keep on the engine. Let's just get some clips in them. Yeah. Just be a second. See, this is the old bike. And yeah, this is probably my favourite bit of the track today. Yeah. This is a nice covered in leaves over there. It's that owl, I think it's an owl or seagull. Hi guys, I'm back. That was just me. But I'm now going to be riding, me and James are going to be having a race. He's just going to be on the Z50, what he just showed. And I'm going to be on my first ever Honda CRF 50. Try and get a good shot of it. There it is. So yeah, I'll just see you guys in a sec. Hey guys, we've just had the races then. It wasn't one, we ended up having about 10, and yeah, it's starting to get dark now, so we might have one more or two, but I'll see you when we get back inside. See ya. Back in the garage now. I'm just fitting some new graphics on. These are the graphics what I've just fitted on their CW Geico Honda graphics really. So yeah, we've just fitted a new gear thing up. Gear lever, sorry. And my old engine cover what I'll need to get a new one fitted in. So yeah, but over here, this was my last year's CW race bike. I did do the dirt bike show and I got second on that. And this is my old KTM 65. I only did about 5 races on it though. And over here, this is my Honda CRF 110. So yeah, I'll catch up with you later. Hi guys, I'm just about to, I'm actually finishing the vlog now. It's been a good day and yeah, I'm going to go upstairs, have a bath and go to bed and edit as well because it is about 10:30 now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.